Lead the way, Pablo. Good morning. Morning, crackers. Morning. Come on, you two. This is my job I've been putting off for days and days, if not a week or two. I've got to pick up all these pumpkins. It was a massive pumpkin patch and they're done for the season. Are you coming for breakfast? Well, Wally, good morning. Do you want breakfast? Whoa. Brekkie. Okay, Wally's come to the gate. He's waiting for his breakfast. I'm just going to make it up. Aren't you, Wall? We had to put up this big gate here because you kept escaping, didn't you? Okay, I'll make you brekkie. Okay, Wally's got his breakfast. Pablo's in there annoying him like normal. And we're going to go for a walk with the doggies now. And yeah, we've moved sheds for Wall because he needs to be over here eating his food just while the crops are growing in the other area where the big barn is, and he seems quite happy here. He's getting fed, so that's the main thing. Making sure I don't trip over. Just coming up to the back of the chicken cage because I'm walking the dogs, but Julian and his girls are still in bed. Shh. Pablo. You still in bed, Julian? Still in bed? Yes. That's good. That looks pretty good. There's chicken heads everywhere. Okay. Just looking at the sky, I think it might rain again. No matter how you feel, and I'm really struggling with my head and my migraines, and I dropped my medication back down. I really feel like it's really, my body can't take it. So I've gone back down to 75 milligrams of my Dopey Max But of course I've woken with a migraine, but you know, I woke with a migraine the morning before and I was on the 100 milligrams, so I'm in a bit of a mess. I don't know what's right for me, but I feel like what I felt on Sunday night and some advice, you know, that was shared on my channel, and I'm a listener and I take on board comments and different things that, yeah, I sort of half agree it's too strong for me. So, you know, there's got to be other ways or other things to make me feel better. So, anyway, I'm just out doing my morning routine, you know, with the birds, in the bush, with the dogs and my animals, which bring me lots of peace. So, you know, they rely on me to bring them their food and shelter and look after them with clean water and all those things that, you know, they rely on as your guardian. And that's the reason why you have animals, but they give you so much more in return. So, and my communication with animals is beyond sometimes what I get from people. So it's really important for me to have them. But yeah, that's why I enjoy doing what I do. But anyway, I'm just going to continue on with my little walk and see how I go. Okay, I'm at the top of the old pens and I'm just going to do a little pan around and show you the little green tinge. Might be hard to see, it probably just looks like a big patch of brown dirt. And you can see where Wally's been walking through the sown crop, because there's no fences, so he just like goes for a walk. But, and I know it's a small area, but it sort of goes around the other side of the shed and out into the other paddock. But I will, as time goes by, just keep you updated on how it kicks along. But if I line up, I'll get onto a row. So it's all oat crop. It's a grazing oat crop. So you can see the rows of oat crop popping through. But anyway, we'll just monitor it and see how it goes. What are you doing? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Is there something there? What are you thinking about? Are you going to tell me what it is? Right. Is it a mouse? Is it a mouse? Okay. So, who wants breakfast? Pablo, do you want breakfast? Okay, let's go then. Good morning.